Hi guys, and welcome to the final installment of Renovating the Shine Shack. You know, if you've been with me for the last year and a half, you'll remember that that Shine Shack was one ugly mofo of a building inside. It had a big earthquake crack down the middle of the floor. It had all the ugly bluish garish paint on the walls. It had an A-frame ceiling, and I went ahead and I lowered that with a sort of a drop ceiling there, and really turned out good. And renovated the whole, insulated it, put brand new electrical, did all the plumbing, did a sewer hookup over here, had multiple inspections, drywall deliveries, and of course I'll be putting up the playlist with the whole project, from project planning to all the way through to, I hope, Monday when the inspector comes out. So come on out, we've got the final renovation thing in place. When the inspector came out 2 months ago, he said, "Rosie, I love you, baby doll, but you know, you can't not have a drain and a drain connection and a hot and cold water pipe coming out of the wall. What you need to have is you need to have something hooked up there." Well, I always dreamed of having a little kitchenette area here. And let me open up the Shine Shack, see if I can open it without being my usual butterfingers here. And we do keep it locked. Get that yellow jacket away. Move it! Move it. Get in here. And just to recap, all the new electrical was run with all GFI protected circuits. We've got one bank of lights on this side over here, and we've got another set. We put recessed lighting in here. You know, a couple weeks ago, last month, we ran a high-speed LAN over here. A friend of mine was good enough to donate the wire and the connections. So now all we have to do when somebody brings a computer out is just hook it up, and you have the ability to carry 150 to 300 megabits per second on there. And you see we still retain the high voltage 240 volt outlet for running the still. And we have the city water connection and the well water connection for powering the still. You know, the city water is extremely expensive in California. We're always in a drought and they charge you through the wazoo. I'm lucky I have my own well on the property, and we're able to use that to cool down and condense for the still, and then circulate the water right back down into the well body. And of course the ceiling, got a really pretty ceiling fan, and the wood matches up very nicely. And you see over here the new cabinets, and we'll talk about the final touches. And then of course have a really nice bathroom inside. Jennifer's already used the shower before. It's all cleaned up. We've got a nice grab bar for her to hold on to. We have an additional grab chooch we'll be installing here to give her a lot of safety. We'll be putting that on the wall over there. And all this plumbing, and of course Vince came over and did the flooring. There's a few things that have cured. There's going to need a little bit of touch up here and there, and that's fine. You expect that on some jobs. That's why they create a punch list. But this is really ready to go. And the last piece, you remember I had a drain and then a hot and cold sticking out of the wall. Well, they came and did the cabinets, and I'll be uploading that. And the granite countertop came and do that. The refrigerator fits under nice. So now the inspector can come out and he'll see, you know, that we got that hooked up real good with the drain, and we are ready for inspection. So that really concludes the last thing, and you can see the inspection sheet hanging here. We really started in January when the inspector came out the first time and looked at the rough plumbing, the rough electrical, and the rough framing, and signed off on that. We were underway. So Monday, the inspector is going to come. Keep your fingers crossed. It could be the last time he's on the property. But I did want to show you the final step here in the renovation of the Shine Shack. And it's been a joy to have you along, and all those renovation vids are going to be put up for you to enjoy in one giant playlist. So just great stuff here today on the renovating the Shine Shack. been an exciting project, and we're going to be moving on real soon to renovating the bathroom inside, and that's going to be really cool to have you guys along for that. So that's really almost a capstone on renovating the Shine Shack, and it's been a hell of a great project. It's been a lot of fun, a lot of work to insulate and get that place done, but it's not nearly as fun not having, you know, when you guys aren't along. Okay, cheers.